To add text to lock screen on the Redmi Note 14s, let me quickly show you how you can do this. First of all, you'll have to go for the settings, and from here scroll down and navigate into the wallpaper and personalization. Let's go in there, and from here you have to go for the lock style. So let's tap on this one, and from here select your current lock screen. In my case it's this one. Tap on this one to customize it, and from here you'll have to select these widgets. And the widgets are like outlined with this kind of gray outline. Let's go in there, tap on this one, and from here you'll have to find this text, this widget for the signature. So let's tap on it, and here you can see that we have the text currently inserted, and if there is no text by default, here you can see that you have to tap in here to enter the signature. So yeah, tap on this one, enter any text that you want, and from here just like tap anywhere, and you will see that there is this text right here, and it is inserted. Now to apply these changes you have to press done and apply, and now as we go into our lock screen, this text will now be changed. So that's how we can do this.